What's up, guys? It's Ian from Optimize Your Marketing. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating a campaign level LinkedIn ads A/B test. At Optimize Your Marketing, we create A/B tests that are at the campaign level, the ad level, and the landing page level. Usually speaking, most A/B testing agencies and a lot of advertising agencies in general will not be testing at the campaign level. We think that's kind of crazy. I think that's kind of crazy. So we are going to be showing you how you can do this. It's very simple, but this could actually have a significant improvement on your rate metrics. So your cost per clicks, your click-through rates, and even your cost per leads. So before we dive right in, I wanted to quickly give a shout out to our YouTube channel. So we post 4 to 5 times every single week, and we have roughly daily shorts. So if you haven't subscribed already, would love for you to do so. We post really valuable content on the foundations of digital marketing strategy, but also very high level best practice expert tips. So if you aren't already subscribed, I highly recommend you do so if you want to join us on this journey. But without being said, let's dive right back into this video. So in LinkedIn ads, we are in this ad account right here, and we've talked about structuring your account in certain ways. This is a client account, so they've had some campaigns in here before, but primarily speaking, we like to structure our ad accounts into campaign groups. So we have this cold layer, awareness layer, and that's generally speaking where we're going to be working today, but that's where we target the top of funnel and the marketing funnel. Now, as you can see, we have 3 campaigns running in here. What I want to do is I want to create one of these campaigns into an A/B test at a campaign level A/B test. Now, quick caveat, there is a test functionality in LinkedIn ads now. I've checked it out. I've tried it. It's kind of wonky because they want you to recreate the campaign from scratch, and it doesn't give you really granular ways of doing that. It doesn't give you all the options when you're setting up a campaign. So for that reason, I don't highly recommend it. I could recommend it. It's better than nothing, but I don't recommend it. If you are following this video and you follow the steps that we take, I would just recommend doing what we do. So I'm going to show you the manual way of A/B testing, and this was the way that you could only A/B test in LinkedIn ads for the longest time, whether it was at the ad level or the campaign level. They didn't have this A/B testing functionality. I still don't think it's 100% there yet. I think it needs tweaked, so that's kind of why I'm mentioning that. But anyway, so we're going to be working off of this campaign here, this lead gen real estate manual bidding campaign. And we are going to be changing this from manual bidding to maximum delivery. Now, that is a bid level strategy. Let me show you what that looks like inside of the campaign settings. So as you notice, we've talked about naming or nomenclature inside of our LinkedIn ads accounts. And I like to mention that our objective is usually first, the audience is second, and then the bid strategy is third. Those are because those are the primary levers that you are pulling in at the campaign level. So when I say levers, I mean these are things that you can change that will positively improve your rate metrics, your cost per clicks, your click-through rates, and your cost per leads. So if we scroll down, I'll show you what this looks like. This is a manual bidding strategy, and it's because we like to start out our campaigns at manual bidding. So that is because it gives us a stronger hold on our cost per click, which ultimately will affect our overall performance. So as you can see, this is manual bidding. I want to test it at maximum delivery because I want to ensure that this is the right strategy for a client. Although we recommend manual bidding all the time, when we're setting up an optimized campaign, it is always worth testing to make sure that we aren't wrong, because some clients do better at maximum delivery than others. So what we'll do in this situation is we are going to duplicate this campaign. So I'm going to click it, and I am going to, I think it's under more, click duplicate. And it's just going to ask me to rename this. I'm just going to change this to max delivery. And I will just select the ads, and I'm just going to make sure that I select all 4 ads that are in here. The reason for this is because we're actually A/B testing these two. So as you can see, there's 2 square ads, one with a man and one with a woman, and it is roughly the same language, but different graphics. And so that's the A/B test, is a creative A/B test. But anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. That would be more of an ad level A/B test, which we can cover in another video. This is a campaign level A/B test. So I click duplicate campaign, and then I'm going to edit the duplicate campaign here. And I'm going to do two things. This is really important. Number one, I know that this campaign had $33 a day. That's roughly $1,000 a month. I'm going to adjust the budget to make sure that we aren't overspending, because that's really important. Now, everything should be the same in here. I'm just going to check real quick to make sure nothing is enabled, like enable audience expansion, which I would want to turn off, and anything else in placements, which looks like we're good. Like I said, I'm going to change this budget to $1,650 because we had a $33 a day budget. And I'm going to change this to maximum delivery. Now, I'm trying to understand, why is this grayed out? Okay, it's not grayed out. It just looks grayed out. So I am selecting maximum delivery. We're not doing manual bidding anymore. And I'm going to click next. And I think I might just need to publish. I might need to just publish this campaign potentially. So click next again to launch. So launch campaign, clicking that. And at this point, the campaign is launched. Now let me view the campaign really quick. It's right here, or actually, no, it is not. This is the old campaign. So we actually need to go back and change the old campaign's bidding as well, because like I said, it was at $33 a day. We want to make sure that we're not overspending. So I'm going to change this to $1,650 really quickly. So coming down here, daily budget, and adjusting that appropriately, making sure this still says manual bidding. It does, and I'm going to say save and exit, because this campaign's already launched. We don't need to launch it. So at this point, now we have the manual bidding campaign, and then we also have the max delivery campaign. So the way this will work now is I will take a mental note. So we do have a campaign tracker, our campaign planning template that we use for every single one of our clients. And so I will make a note in that campaign planner and say, we just launched this A/B test at the campaign level, and it started on this day, and we are testing this thing, which in this case is bidding strategy. And within 2 weeks, we're going to check back and see if we have a definitive answer on which one performed better. And that'll be that. And so we will set a reminder to check back and look, but usually we set those before our bi-weekly meetings with our clients so that we have that data ahead of time so we can talk through it in the meeting and hypothesize new A/B tests. But with that being said, that is the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It takes just a couple clicks or one tap of the thumb, but it really helps me out and it really means the world to me. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.